7 AI websites that feel illegal because they're so powerful. Have you ever found an AI website so powerful that it feels like it should be paid only? Here are 7 AI websites that are free or have free plans, and they can completely change how you work, create content, and save time. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your all-in-one AI assistant. It can write emails, generate content, brainstorm ideas, explain difficult topics, summarize long documents, help with coding, and answer almost any question in minutes. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. Number 2. Perplexity AI. Need fast and accurate research? Perplexity AI gives you direct answers and includes sources, so you can verify the information yourself. It's perfect for students, creators, professionals, and anyone who wants reliable answers without digging through dozens of websites. Number 3. Gamma AI. Creating presentations has never been easier. Read Gamma into your idea, and it turns it into a beautiful presentation, document, or web page within minutes. No design skills required. Number 4. 11 Labs. If you want realistic AI voices, 11 Labs is one of the best tools available. Create professional voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, advertisements, and social media content without recording your own voice. Number 5. Canva AI. Canva AI makes designing simple. You can create social media posts, presentations, logos, flyers, and marketing materials using powerful AI tools. Even if you've never designed anything before, you can produce professional-looking graphics. Number 6. HeyGen. Don't want to appear on camera? HeyGen lets you create AI avatar videos that speak your script naturally. It's perfect for business presentations, marketing videos, educational content, and social media. Number 7. Notebook LM. Notebook LM is like having a personal AI study partner. Upload your PDFs, notes, or documents, and it can summarize them, explain complex ideas, and answer questions based on your files. It's an incredible productivity tool for students and professionals. These 7 AI websites can save you hours of work every week while helping you create better content faster. Which one surprised you the most? Comment AI if you want more powerful AI tools that can help you work smarter, save time, and grow online. And don't forget to follow for daily AI tips and tools that keep you ahead of everyone else.